Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I already discussed about number system, basic gates implementation using discrete circuit components, De Morgan's law circuit implementation, and why NAND gate and NOR gate is called universal gate. Those who are not visit my channel, please follow my channel for clear understanding of your electronic science subject. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture, we discuss about why NAND gate is called universal gate. Basically, we already discussed about it in previous lecture. In today's lecture, we discuss about how we implement NOR gate using NAND gates only. Okay. So let's get started. In today's session, we discuss about why NAND gate is called universal gate. Because we already know about it, NAND gate have the important properties that by using only NAND gates repeatedly, one can get the logical functions of NOR gate. That's why NAND gate is called universal gate. So, आज हम सीखेंगे one universal gate to another universal gate proof. Okay, so next slide पे चलते हैं. So this is the NOR gate implementation, NOR gate circuit implementation by using NAND gate only. Here we use 4 NAND gate chip. One is connected here, one is connected here, and the 2 is connected here. Chip number is 7400. This 2 input line has been shorted. This 2 input line also been shorted of this 2 NAND gate. From this 2 input line where it is to be shorted, here one input line is connected with switch 1, which is act as an input A, and from this input where it is to be shorted, from here it is connected with switch 2, which is referred as input B. Input A and input B is connected with the positive potential of the 5 volt power supply, and the negative potential of the 5 volt DC power supply is connected with the ground terminal. So, when these two input terminal has been shorted, this NAND gate act as an inverter circuit. So, if this is input A, so from the output what we get? A bar. Okay. These two input also been shorted of this NAND gate. So this NAND gate is also act as an inverter circuit. So when this is input B, so from the output what we get? B bar. So this is A bar output and this is B bar output. This A bar output and this B bar output is now connected with the input of this NAND gate. Okay. So from the output of this NAND gate what we get? A bar dot B bar whole bar. So by using De Morgan's theorem, if we split this expression, what we get? A plus B, because A bar dot B bar whole bar means A double bar plus B double bar. So A double bar means A plus B double bar means B. So what we get here? A plus B. So from here we get A plus B or A or B. This is the OR expression. Okay. Now, if this OR expression is now connected with this inverter circuit, again this two input has been shorted, and from this input line, the output of this NAND gate is connected. So this is an inverter circuit. So A plus B or A or B, this OR expression when passing through this inverter circuit, what we get here? A plus B over bar or A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar expression is Y expression, which is the expression of NOR gate expression. So by using this circuit, we can easily design a NOR gate using NAND only. Okay, output for output display, what we connect here, that is one 330 ohm is connected with this NAND gate output terminal to protect this LED display, and the positive potential of this LED display is connected with this 330 ohm resistor, and the negative potential is connected with the ground terminal. So this is the circuit part of the NOR gate by using NAND only. So now from here we verified the truth table of the NOR gate. When both input are 0 0, that means input A is 0, input B is 0, switch 1 is open, switch 2 is also open. So this is 0, this is 0, that means this is 1 and this is 1. So this 2 1 is now connected here. So from here we get 0 and this 0 is connected here. So from here we get 1. So LED is in on condition. Okay. Next condition, when input A is 0, that means it is switch 1 is open and switch 2 is closed. Input B is in 1 condition, 0 1 condition. Okay. So second condition, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0 means this is 1, this is 1 means this is 0. So 1.0 means here we get 1. So this 1 is passing through this inverter circuit, we get here 0. So 0 is output here, and from here we saw the LED is in off condition. Okay. So this is the second row of the truth table. 0 1 condition, 1 0 condition. 1 0 condition means when input A is 1, switch 1 is closed, input B is 0, that means switch 2 is open. So this is 1, this is 0 condition. This 1 is connected with this NAND gate circuit or inverter circuit. So from here we get 0 and this 0 is connected with this inverter circuit. So here we get 1. This 0 and 1 is connected with this NAND gate circuit. So from here we get 1 output, and this 1 output is passing through this inverter circuit. So here we get 0 output. So 0 output is showing in this diode LED display, that is LED is in off condition. Okay. So this is the third condition, and last condition, when input A is 1, that means switch 1 is closed, and input B is also 1, switch 2 is also closed. So this is 1, this is 1. So from here we get 0 and from here also we get 0. So this 0 and 0 is connected here. So from here we get 1. 1 is passing through this inverter circuit, and so from here we get 0 output. So this 0 output is showing this LED is in off condition. So this is the truth table verification of a NOR gate by using NAND gates only. Okay. So first we saw the circuit design, how we design a circuit of NOR gate by using NAND only. Second, we saw from this circuit how we can verify the truth table of a NOR gate. Okay. So here we end today's session. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.